Hey guys, here we have my 13-year-old PC and we're gonna clean this. It has a quad-core, Intel quad-core 9300Q 9300 processor, which is like 13 years old, and integrated GPU. I've actually replaced this processor and the power supply few months or years ago. So we'll just clean this because it's not even clean since like 13 years. So let's clean it up. So guys, I have fixed everything back after the cleaning. So this cable management is way better than before. I tried the best what I could, but look at the back, it's terrible. But yeah, so let's first check whether it's gonna run. So let's connect all the peripherals now. I guess we got all the stuff. Cable management is terrible. Don't ask about that. So let's just plug the power cable to the desktop and see whether the motherboard lights up. Oh, you can see that? The yellow LED there. You can see that? It's working. Let's just fire it up now. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's running. Actually, while I was cleaning my processor, this finger touched a pin in this motherboard, and it felt like I gave a static electricity shock to the motherboard, and I was like, holy shit, whether it stopped working or what, because I might have electrocuted the motherboard. But it's working fine. It's booting up. Cool. So yeah guys, it's working, and we'll just put the lid of this case back in. So guys, I've put the lid and it's working fine. I've booted into Ubuntu, and next video you guys can watch is Google Swag's unboxing. Click right here. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.